I just cloned an app that makes $150 million a year and is valued at $1.1 billion. I'm talking about Loom, which is a very simple and awesome screen recorder app that allows you to shoot your screen. And all of it was done through something called as Codex by ChatGPT, and it allows you to create any kind of app, any kind of software by simply asking, simply writing a plain language. So in this video, I'm going to show you the whole workflow, what I went through to create this. But before that, let me just show you a demo of how this looks like. Okay, so let me just go to my Codex and I'm going to show you the first thing that we built. So, but I'm going to show you the prompts as well. But mainly, this is an app in the browser format. In fact, the current video that you are seeing is this particular app. This is getting recorded from this app. So this app has a little bit of an advanced feature. The format is 9:16 and 16:9. The layout, you can select you want screen plus cam or you want just cam. And you can have a full layout where you can share the screen. So let's say I only use my FaceTime camera. All right. So let's say I only use this and I decided that I want to share my screen and I show, let's say the same Loom video thing. So it has this sort of a setting where it can go down or it can be a framed thing like what you can see right now. This is what it looks like. But let me just show you how was this built, what prompts we use, what settings did we use in Codex. Okay. So the first prompt that I used, and by the way, in Codex, you can once you download and create like an account, at the bottom you can see something called as full access. You get full access, it gets the full access of your computer, and then make sure that the intelligence is set at extra high and the GPT is the latest model. The first prompt that I gave it was, I want to build a camera app for my Mac where you can switch between cameras and connect to any mic and also share screen, but all of it happens in 9:16 so that I can create shorts and videos here itself. So when it shares screen, top half becomes 9:16, becomes the screen. Bottom half is my face. Save all the videos locally. Basically, Loom app alternative, but for 9:16 slide. So basically, initial idea was that in this particular app, I wanted something like this. I wanted to create reels in this app where the bottom part is me talking and the top part is where I'm just sharing the screen, I'm drawing stuff, so that on the top half I can put some sort of headline. In the center zone, I can put my captions so it looks nice. But then I realized, you know what, we could do so much better. So I did some minor bug fixes where I was asking, how do I open this in a browser? It was not picking the mic in the beginning, right? Then I asked, okay, let's just do it between 9:16 and 16:9. And it gave this particular feature. And finally, uh, I said that the app window should not be visible. So it looks nice. And finally, I found a YouTuber which created something similar kind of content. I took a screenshot of his screen setup and I said, hey, I want this exact screen setup right here, which is what you're seeing right now. And that feature is being built right now. And I changed the name of the app to Tiny Recorder, added a nice logo, bright colors, something like that. And then I also realized there was some issue. There was some bars that was coming up on the side of the windows, which I asked it to like change, zoom it in, zoom in the whole the screen a little bit. And obviously it had some other bug fixes which we fixed, and the one that you're seeing right now is 100% created in this app alone. So this is so awesome, because now imagine this is how easy it is to create an app right now. And you can literally have an idea in a shower and like go to Codex and vibe code this stuff. So I'm gonna copy the whole chat sequence with GPT and I'll give it to you, and you can use the same prompt to maybe create your own version of Loom or any software that you want. And if you want something to be built for you, just let me know in the comments. I might go ahead and shoot some other videos for yourself. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.